Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix fail to initialize Watchdog fail to start service. Start service fail Windows cannot verify the digital signature for this file. Simply click the OK to close it, that error message. Then in this video, see before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Don't waste our time. Let's look at the steps. First step: disable core isolation. Turn it on, temporarily turn it off, then restart your system. Go to try next step, uncheck Hyper-V and choose platform. So we need this feature. Here uncheck the platform along with Windows Hyper-V platform, then click the OK to save, then close it. After that, try next step. Update Microsoft Visual C++. Link I will provide in this comment section. You will click to update the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ software. Then go to try next step, CMD. Right click on the command. Use the release administrator. Video description, so you will copy to paste, zip, then exit. Finally, you restart your system, then you have solved this problem, and you will have worked this method and relaunch the game. Then is solved. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment. I will definitely reply to you.